Hello! Today I'm going to do an experiment that will answer the question, what kind of liquid can stop a peeled apple to become brown or oxidizing? My hypothesis was that I think that sugar water will stop the apple from oxidizing. My independent variable is different types of liquid. So in the first experiment, I'm going to do sugar water. In the second, just tap water. In the third, salt water. And lastly, milk. The control is 150 milliliters of liquid. The materials that we need is 1 apple, a knife, 4 of this plastic cup, milk, 15 grams of sugar, grams of salt, a measuring cup, a tablespoon, and a tap water inside here. And a time watch, and lastly, some tissues. Now I'm going to do the experiment while saying the procedure out loud. Number 1, pour 150 milliliter of water inside the measuring cup, and I've already did that. It's 150 milliliters of water. Pour the water into one of the 4 plastic cups. It's like this. Step 2. Put your sugar on the tablespoon so it can be 15 grams of sugar. So this much. Put it in one of the cups that has the tap water in it. Step 3. Stir the cup that the sugar is in until the sugar dissolves using your tablespoon. So stir it until it dissolves completely. Number 4. Get an apple and make 1 medium-sized slices with the knife. Be careful not to cut your fingers. After you cut it, it will look like this. Immediately after you slice it, put it into the cup. Start your time watch and stop after 3 minutes. So now we have to wait 3 minutes. While we're waiting, I'll do the other independent variables. And for this, after about 5 to 10 minutes, observe the apple to see if it have changed color or not. Now I'll do the tap water. So, like what we did with this is just the tap water, so we don't have to add sugar or salt. And we have to put our apple inside here. And now we have to do salt water. I already poured the water. I have to put the salt. 150 grams of salt. And like the sugar water, we have to stir it until it dissolves. And now I will put that. Okay. Lastly, I will do the experiment with the milk. For milk, we don't have to put salt or sugar because the liquid is just milk. And I'm going to put the apple inside the milk. So these are the apple that's inside each different liquid. After 3 minutes, I took out each apple and put it in the tissue. But we'll have to wait until the color changes because it can't change right away after it gets taken out from the liquid. So after about 5 to 10 minutes, we'll have to wait and then come back and see which apple does not change color and which of them does. After about 5 to 10 minutes, the apples showed the result. The only one that didn't change color was the one that was inside the salt water. And the rest, which was in milk, sugar, and just normal tap water, it changed color. For example, this one. It became brown. So the conclusion is that salt water will stop the apple from oxidizing or turning brown. Thank you.